on public utilities.
Again, Madam Chair, may I request acknowledgement of the Committee on Public Utilities report.
Your report is acknowledged.
The meeting was conducted 19 August 2022. There was a quorum, Madam Chair. The first item discussed was the letter dated August 3 of the District Engineer Romeo D. Duluiras of the Camarines Sur 3rd Engineering District, addressed to the Casureco 2 General Manager, reiterating their previous demand for the relocation of power lines that will be affected by the road widening project of the agency along Naga Carolina Panikwason Road. As to the disposition, Madam Chair, there was a lengthy discussion. For the information of the body, specifically ang request kang DPWH itong duwang poste duman sa may San Felipe near Ramasinta. Then sabi po nila na ready na ang cheque para po maibayad sa Casureco 2. Alagad dahil lang na-execute kang Casureco 2 because of the various reasons na pig-side katong representative kang Casureco 2. As to the disposition, Madam Chair, as suggested by Honorable Melvin Ramon G. Buenape, to take the opportunity of the scheduled brownout last Saturday, August 20, to scout for the relocation of posts. It was stressed to the representative of Casureco 2 that they should grab that opportunity to relocate the poles because of the citywide brownout. And furthermore, Madam Chair, the committee requested the representative of Casureco 2 to relay to the management of Casureco 2 what transpired in today's committee hearing regarding of the relocation of the two poles along the San Felipe Drive, specifically near the Ramasinta, the soonest possible time. So that's the disposition, Madam Chair. I so move, Madam Chair.
Second.
Number 2, letter dated July 19, 2022, Broderick Reforzado, BCS Terminal Manager, providing the data on the number of southbound passenger buses, minibuses, and other PUBs utilizing the Bicol Central Station as requested by the Sangguniang Panlunsod. As to the disposition, Madam Chair, by the way, Mr. Prosado is now the acting head of the Metro Peso. Vice Mr. Mongoso is now the General Manager of the Metro Naga Water District. So he's holding that position in a concurrent capacity. So as to the disposition, Madam Chair, on the second item, the committee deferred consideration on the action of the matter pending submission. Well, we have requested Mr. Reposado of the written report as regards this particular item. So I so move, Madam Chair.
Second.
So that ends the report, Madam Chair. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you, Honorable Del Rosario. Next item.
The proposed ordinance authored by Honorable Lucilito S. Del Rosario and Honorable Maria Corazon and Peñaflor, mandating the reassessment, revision, and upgrading of some barangay boundaries in the city, creating a technical working group to conduct a comprehensive study and appropriating funds for the purpose.
Honorable Del Rosario.
This is being presented on the third and final reading, Madam Chair. I move that we approve the ordinance mandating the reassessment, revision, and upgrading of some barangay boundaries in the city of Naga, creating a technical working group to conduct a comprehensive study, and appropriating funds for the purpose. I so move, Madam Chair.
Any second? Okay.
Together with City Councilor Corazon Peñaflor.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Del Rosario. Next item.
New business, the letter dated August 11, 2022 of Ms. Anne May Cornejo of Santa Cruz applying for a trike franchise.
Committee on Transport.
And also the application from certain residents of Deca Homes Vistanza subdivision.
Committee on Transport.
Also the letter of Rudy Bedilloro Obsuna, Barangay.
Committee on
Sabang.
Transport.
Also the letter of Mr. Rodel San Jose, Barangay
Committee
Mabulo.
on Transport.
And lastly, the letter of Elias San Jose, Barangay Pacol.
Committee
All-
on Transport.
The proposed ordinance submitted by Honorable Gilgy Rosales, institutionalizing a comprehensive mechanism to encourage and facilitate individuals' participation and engagement in the legislative process.
Laws and
Of the
Ordinances. Honorable Rosales.
Sunod.
People Empowerment.
People Empowerment, Madam Chair.
Yes. Okay, refer the joint Committee on Laws and Ordinances and People Empowerment. The lead committee will be the Committee on Laws and Ordinances. Next item.
The proposed ordinance of Honorable Jose C. Ranyola and City Councilor Maria Jesaniel Buena, granting a free basic medical executive checkup once a year, a week before or after a week of their birthday at the Naga City Hospital for active and in-service members of the barangay health workers, barangay nutrition scholars, barangay service point officers, and community-based rehabilitation specialists in the 27 barangays of the city.
Committee on
Health.
Health.
Next item, ma'am.
Next item.
The proposed ordinance of Honorable Joselito S. del Rosario prescribing a new fare for public utility vehicles in the city, revising City Ordinance Number 2020-113, and for other purposes.
Committee on Transport.
Other matters, Local Budget Circular Number 147, dated July 29, 2022, from the DBM on the adoption of the Enhanced Public Financial Management Assessment Tool for local government units and electronic version.
Noted.
The acknowledgement and release relative to the financial assistance extended by Prime Asset Ventures Incorporated to the heirs of spouses Rafaelito and Eugenia Abilende.
Honorable Del Castillo, ano yan?
In connection with the request of PABI for rezoning of property located at Carolina. We've already acted on the matter, Madam Chair, and one of the requests of the committee is for the applicant, the PABI Incorporated, to compensate the family of Abilindi. And with this letter, Madam Chair, it shows that they have already complied with the request of the committee. They have granted 30,000 pesos to the family. Just for the information of the body.
So,
Madam Chair.
for information, so we
Yes,
take note.
Thank you.
Next item.
The letter dated August 16, 2022 from NCPC Chairperson Mr. Elmer Santo Domingo relative to the representative to the Committee on Youth and Sports Development.
Dry phone ba kaya? Dry phone? Ayan man. Kaya pag-replace naman. So we take note and the Committee on Youth and Sports Development. Honorable Lito Del Rosario.
I think na dahil nagdadangog si NCPC when we discuss about yung sa Gripon, City Councilor Greg Abonal was very emphatic about this group. So they should have taken notice of the manifestation of our former colleague. So siguro yan NCPC representative, Madam Chair, pwede yan. Pero yung alternate representing yung Gripon is not we're not comfortable with accepting that. There was a manifestation, Madam Chair, during the 13th Sangguniang Palansod of Councilor Greg Abonal about that group. So we should not be entertaining that.
So we inform the NCPC.
NCPC.
NCPC with regards to the
Para
comment
pipirit
raised
din yan.
by the Honorable Greg Abunal.
Dati pa.
Ano talaga ang represent? Na ano na ba ninda? Na-consolidate? I think, if I remember, garupig ano tabaga na dapat mag-consolidate ang record ninda na accredited sa NCPC at si accredited kang sanggunian. Tako minsan baga, may nahihiling kitang accredited sa inda pero mayo sa to. Nag-ano na ba sinda? Nagkaigwa na ning
Siguro, Madam Chair, we request NCPC to look for alternate representative.
for other.
So
Because
yung
he's not accepted.
yung sa ano, Christine Sebello, pwede siguro yan. But yung alternate should be someone na not from yung ano.
So the secretary is instructed to inform NCPC.
Also to give respect to the manifestation. That is, Madam Chair, to give respect to the manifestation of our former colleague in the Sangguniang Province.
Yes, thank you, Honorable Del Rosario. Honorable Abunal.
Madam
Abdel
Chair,
Abunal.
in addition, perhaps also inform the NCPC because they already submitted their representatives several sessions ago and we just noted it. However, Madam Chair, upon checking, the new committees that we just created are not included there. So, the itabi po updated itong sa indang representatives. Maybe also include in the
Please also include that
information.
in the letter to NCPC. The comment raised by the chair of the Committee on People Empowerment. Any other comments on the issue? None? Okay, next item.
Nominal voting.
May I inform before that, there's a letter from the NCPC na may mga bisitang maabot si Vice Mayor Kangkalamba together with some NGOs and POs, Maigdi Sanaga, Lakbay Aral 2022 sa August 23 to 25. Pigre-request ang Sangguniang Panglunsod on the August 24. Wala na August 24 sa aga. At 10 in the morning at the SP Session Hall for the meet and greet with Calamba Vice Mayor's Office delegates. Ay, igwaman ng ano? Housing po. May housing. So, the other members of the Sangguniang, kung pwede pong magdigdi sa aga para makabistuta man ang from Calamba, Laguna. Thank you. 10 o'clock. Honorable Albios.
Thank you, Madam. With the indulgence of the committee, of the chairman of the Committee on Rules, may I move for the inclusion under SBO, the proposed ordinance reverting the amount of 700,000 from the account of donations to IX of the Sangguniang Panglungsod.
Donation ba? Conversion, ano? Inclusion first, inclusion.
Submitted, Madam Chair.
Is there a proposal? Iguana.
I have not, as far as the chair of the Committee on Rules, I have not seen any proposal.
May ginibo na garo si Councilor Lito. So can you just, next, ano bang sa next session?
Yes,
ta?
we'll
Ay,
prioritize
Mayo
it, Madam Chair, on the next regular session. Yes.
September.
We need data on the matter since it will entail an appropriation.
First week of September, next week, dahil nakita ata, nakaapat na kitang session. So, September 6, September 6. Pwede pa mga. Iguana.
Receive na sa Secretariat.
Hindi pa man receive sa Secretariat. O paki-flash na daa. O next session na lang daa. Mayo pagtatak. So the motion, please withdrawn. That will be included in the next session. Make the necessary proposal. Next item.
Nominal voting.
Ang sabi na
Madam
sa
Chair,
district
I'm-
sa tong rules.
Madam Chair, I move to transfer all ordinances and resolutions to nominal voting and for the approval of the same.
Any second? Approve. Next item.
Move to adjourn.
Any second to the adjournment? Okay, session is adjourned. 11:20.